Welcome to Goa 365, English News Bulletin. I am Glenn and these are the headlines. An accident took place along the National Highway at Konkoli, grievously injuring one person. The injured had to be shifted to hospital in a car after the 108 ambulance was delayed. A 23-year-old Delson Quadrus was arrested with ganja worth 1.27 lakh rupees, underlining the hold drugs have on youth. Sanjivani Sugar Factory is all set to shift to ethanol instead of sugar, with the explanation that there is lots of demand for ethanol not only in Goa but also in the international market. And now for the news in detail. Ethanol is the option for the Sanjivani Sugar Factory at Darbandara. It will now produce ethanol instead of sugar. The farmers would definitely benefit from it and they would be paid immediately as the product sells very fast, the administrator of Sanjivani justified.
The Sanjivani sugar is closed for a long time now as the machinery is not in position to function. The sugarcane farmers from Goa are still waiting when the factory would restart. Now, the factory would restart for sure but not to produce sugar but ethanol. Deccan Sugar Technologists Association has given assignment. The factory would produce 40,000 liters of ethanol for next 270 days. This would be a boon for Goan farmers. They don't have to worry for next 10 years. Factory's administrator Chintamani Perini said.
संजीवनी सहकारी सागर कारखान्यान आजूच डिटेल प्रोजेक्ट रिपोर्ट इथेनॉल करपा संबंधी ही पुण्या बेस एक संस्था आसा डेक्कन शुगर टेक्नॉलॉजी असोसिएशन तांकां आजूच ऑर्डर दिल्ली आसा. कालच गोवा गव्हर्मेंटाचें गोल आयल्या उपरांत आमच्या डायरेक्टर ऑफ एग्रीकल्चरान म्हाका पत्र बरयलें आनी त्या पत्राक अनुसरून आज हांवें ऑर्डर दिल्ली आसा. तेज्या ऑर्डरी प्रमाणे DST आसा तांच्यांनी एक 6 आठवड्यांनी तो प्रोजेक्ट रिपोर्ट आमकां सबमीट करपाक जाय आनी हो प्रोजेक्ट रिपोर्टान इथेनॉल प्लांट संबंधी कसो इन्स्टॉल करप ताका लागपी जे बाकीचे सगळे विशय आसा हो सविस्तरपणान ह्या DPRान नमूद करचे आसा. ह्या DPR आयल्या नंतर आमी जो DPR गव्हर्मेंटाक धाडटले कन्सिडरेशन गव्हर्मेंटाच्या आनी फुडलो जो इथेनॉल प्लांट उबारपाचो जो कार्यवाही आसा ताची सुरवात करतले.
Perini gave details how farmers will be benefited after producing ethanol instead of sugar.
हो प्लांट जो आसा आमचो तो दिसाक 40,000 लिटर इथेनॉल जावपाचो ताकतीचो प्लांट आसतलो आनी ही इथेनॉल आमचो गोंयांत जो ऊस आसतलो तो आमी 3 म्हयने प्रोडक्शन आसा सादारण जानेवारी फेब्रुवारी मार्च हे गोंयचे 50,000 मेट्रीक टन प्रोडक्शन हाजे आमी प्रोसेस करून ताची इथेनॉल 3 म्हयने तयार जातले. म्हटल्यार आतां डिमांड खूब आसा आयच्या दिसा आनी भारत सरकारची पळय जी योजना आसा हातूंत 2025 सालान 20% ब्लेंडिंग जे आसा हे एक टार्गेट दवरिल्लें आसा आनी इथेनॉल हे आमचे पेट्रोल जे आमी फ्युअल म्हणून वापरता तातूंत मिक्स करून ते वापरपाचें आसता म्हणजे 20%. सद्या ह्या वर्सा पर्यंत फक्त आमी 8%च पर्यंत पावल्ले आसा. म्हटल्यार इथेनॉलाक अजून खूब डिमांड आसा आनी ज्यो कंपनी आसा आमच्या गोंयांत IOC आसा, भारत पेट्रोलियम आसा, हिंदुस्तान पेट्रोलियम आसा, ह्यो आयचे घडये भायल्यान इथेनॉल हाडटा आनी आपले ब्लेंडिंग करून ते आमकां दिता. आतां हे गोंयचें जर इथेनॉल तयार जायत जाल्यार तांकां खर्च कमी जातलो आनी गोंयच्या गोंयांत तांकां इथेनॉल ब्लेंडिंग करपाक मेळटलें. हातूंत जायते फायदे आसा. एक तर म्हणल्यार शेतकऱ्याक तांच्या उसाचो पेमेंट आसा तो ज्यो कंपनी आसा त्यो बेगीन पेमेंट केल्ल्या कारणान आमकां बेगीन दिवपाक मेळटलें. तशेंच उसाक मागणी खूब उरतली कित्याक सद्याचे आमी घडये जरी 50,000 टन गोंयचें प्रोडक्शन अंदाजान धरलें जाल्यार 1 लाख जावं 1.5 लाख सुद्दां प्रोडक्शन जर जायत जाल्यार आमकां आनी भायल्या उसाचेर अवलंबून रावचें पडचें ना. भारत सरकारान जशें ठरयलां तशें IOC पळय आसा आमची कंपनी आसा ऑयल मॅन्युफॅक्चरींग कंपनी हांच्यांनी 21 दिसां भितर पेमेंट करचो आसा. जर तांचो 21 दिसांनी पेमेंट आयलो जाल्यार आमकां आमी शेतकऱ्यांक पेमेंट रोखडो करपाक बरें पडटलें. प्लस डिमांड हो कंटिन्युअस उरतलो आनी वाडत उरतलो. म्हणून शेतकऱ्याक बाबा फॅक्टरी खातीर कमी जावं जास्त अशें उत्पादन करपाची गरज ना. हाचो डिमांड आसा सदां वाडत उरतलो आनी हें जर आमचें प्रोडक्शन जर सारकें जालें कंटिन्युअस ऊस जर प्रोडक्शन आमकां मेळपाक लागलें गोंयचें जाल्यार इथेनॉल प्रोडक्शन म्हणटा तें रियली प्रॉफिटेबल कित्याक हातूंत प्रोडक्शनाच्या जे हे आसा त्या प्रमाणे 1 लिटरा म्हटल्यार नेट प्रॉफीट म्हणटा तें एक 5 रुपया पर लिटर अशें आसा. दिसाक आमचे 40,000 जर इथनॉल जालें जाल्यार दिसाक आमकां 2 लाख नेट प्रॉफीट मेळटलो फॅक्टरी.
Krishna Naik for Guwahati 65 from Darbandora.
An accident took place near the police station along the national highway at Kunkoli, grievously injuring one person. Another 2 were also injured. The injured were shifted to the hospital in a car after there was a lot of delay for the 108 ambulance to reach the spot.
आज तुम्ही पळयता 3 गाडयांचो आज एक्सिडेंट जाले कडेन आसा तो सुद्दां कुंकळेच्या पुलीस स्टेशनाच्या ऑपोजिट सामको हायवेचेर. आमी हांगा सदांच मागतात की हांगा एम्बुलन्स म्हणटी जाय म्हणून 108 जाय. तुम्ही आज पळयतात की जी 108 आसा ती ह्या पेशंटाक जे एक्सिडेंट जाल्ले विक्टिमाक काडून हॉस्पिटलाक पावतर एक 108 हांगा पावले कडेन आसा. आमी हेचे पयलीं सुद्दां सगळे गांवची लोकांनी हांगा डिमांड केलो की 108 हांगा हाडची म्हणून. तसोच MLA सुद्दां रिक्वेस्ट केलो पूण 108 जी आसा ही हांगा टायमार पावल ना जाल्ल्यान आज जे एक्सिडेंट जाल्ले त्याची 2 जाणांक प्रायवेट व्हेकल्सांक घालून गाडयांक घालून तांकां बाळ्ळी हेल्था व्हेले कडेन. हो बाळ्ळी हेल्था व्हेल म्हणा एक जो पेशंट आसा एक जो गाडी मोटरसायकल चलोवपी जो आसा तेका सिरियसली इंजर्ड आसा. म्हाका दिसना तेका मडगांव हांगा तेजेर उपाय जातो म्हणून तेका बांबोळी व्हरपाक पडटलो कित्याक जो बायक चलोवपी जो आसा तो खरेंच चड सिरियस जाले कडेन आतां आमच्या फाटल्यान तूं पळयता पळय इतली तेजे रगत पडले कडेन आसा की तो तेका कितें जाय सांगो जायना म्हणून लोकूय मागता की तो बेगीन बेगीन रिकवर जाल्या पुरो म्हणून. फक्त लोकांली एक डिमांड आसा की हायवे जाले कारणान हांगा एम्बुलन्स म्हणटी ना 108 म्हणटी ना म्हणून ही 108 बेगीच्या बेगीन हाडची कित्याक हो हायवे हांगा आतां कुंकळे पुलीस जे आसा ते पंचनाम करतात आनीक रोड सद्याक सादारणसो ब्लॉक जाले कडेन आसा आनी लोक मागता हांगा बेगीच्या बेगीन वो पंचनाम करून गाडी क्लियर करचे ना जाल्यार हांगा लायन्यो चड लागतल्यो. हे हायवे आसा गोवा 360 वाटेर कुंकळे पुलीस स्टेशना कडच्या रमेश नायक रावत.
Here's another incident which shows the hold that drugs have on today's youth. A 23-year-old Delson Quadrus was arrested with ganja worth 1.27 lakh rupees.
The accused hails from Manora Rai from Salsit. Police caught him red-handed with ganja. He has been arrested under NDPS Act. Ramesh Naik Rath for Guwahati 65 from Kolwa.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. Vasco police have arrested 6 persons in connection with an IPL betting case. Police have seized 2 laptops, mobile receiving device, TV and other items.
Sources said arrests were made after conducting a raid at Wade Vasco. 5 accused are from Nagpur and 1 accused is from Rajasthan. Hirumale for Guwahati 65 from Vasco.
India logged 31,000 plus new coronavirus cases in the last 24 hours, taking the total tally of COVID-19 cases to 3.35 crores. While the active cases have declined to 3 lakhs and 162, the lowest in 188 days, Union Health Ministry said.
The death toll climbed to 4,46,368 after 318 new deaths were reported in last 24 hours. The active cases comprise 0.89% of the total infections, the lowest since March 2020, while the national COVID-19 recovery rate was recorded at 97.78%, the highest since March 2020. A reduction of 1,478 cases has been recorded in the active COVID-19 case load in span of 24 hours, the ministry said. Bureau Report, Guwahati 65.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. Cigarettes and Other Tobacco Products Act or COPTA 2003 is not being properly enforced in the state. In a bid to ensure its full enforcement, a workshop was held for NGOs and officials of various departments. NGO Goa Can hopes that there will be control on the use of tobacco in public places.
Cigarettes and Other Tobacco Products Act or COPTA 2003 is not being properly enforced in the state. In a bid to ensure its full enforcement, a workshop was held for the NGOs and officials of various departments. NGO Goa Can hopes that there will be control on use of tobacco in public places. District Level Coordination Committee for Tobacco Control, South Goa Collectorate, Directorate of Health Services and Goa Can had organized this workshop at South Goa Collectorate building. सात Goa Mamlatdars, Joint Mamlatdar, police inspectors, municipal officials and NGOs were present. Goa Can convener Roland Martins gave details.
So the focus of this program is to update all the officers what are the various sections of COTPA for enforcing. Now this has become a very important discussion in view of the fact that there have been major seizures of gutka in the last 1 week to 10 days in Margao railway station. So today we will be discussing first of all what are the aspects of COTPA, section 4, section 6A, 6B, section 5, 7, so that the officers are aware of what is their powers, what is the procedure, if there is a non-display of the board, what is the fine, if there is a cigarette packets or BDs or gutka which is not permitted to be there, then what is the way to do the seizure. So today we will be shown the boards, what is the board to be displayed, what is the product, how it looks, what image should be there on the product. So this is some of the things actually they will get an idea, and also to have a background knowledge how the tobacco industry is growing, and how youth and children are infected by tobacco. So this is one of the aspects which will be covered. So officers need to know the new way, what is a smuggled cigarette, how it looks, and hookah, what is a hookah.
It was not possible to create awareness by personally visiting shops and kiosks selling tobacco products. However, the official concerned are told to ensure that the law is enforced, Martin said.
But since this program is done online because of COVID, the resource people from Delhi cannot come. Today's program we are not having a visit, field visit, for actually doing the visit to the Gada or shop and doing the demonstration. We are hopeful that this program today will energize the officials in South Goa and help them to make COTPA more effective in South Goa district.
What is organized?
The program is organized by the District Tobacco Control Committee for South Goa, which involves Dr. Sarah George, who is now the District Nodal Officer at Hospice Hospital, together with the Collectorate, South Goa, and in coordination with the Directorate of Health Services, Kampas.
Why it is called training as such?
See, training is because what happens, the officer who is going on the field, he should know the procedure.
Sandeep Toyakar for Goa 365 from Margao.
Now for the weather. Goa to witness light to moderate rainfall accompanied by thunder showers at most places till the 28th of September. There are no weather warnings, IMD said. With that, we have come to the end of this news bulletin. For more news and updates, log on to our website www.goa365.tv. Follow us on Facebook, Goa365TV. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Goa365TV, or download our app, which is available on both Android and iPhones, to watch all the latest news and updates on your mobile. Take care, stay safe, and keep watching Goa 365.